In this video, we will show you how to fix a problem failout to start your Hyper-V virtual machine. When you open your virtual machine and try to connect and start your virtual machine, maybe sometimes you have this message: the application encountered an error while attempting to change the state of your virtual machine. Failed to allocate resource while connecting to a virtual network. The Ethernet switch may not exist. You can see there, this error may be because your connection or your switch. So to fix this problem, you can close this message and select the settings. After that, in here, you can go to the network adapter. You can see there is configuration error message here. From the virtual switch, you can select default switch and click apply. And then you can click OK in here. After that, you can try to restart your virtual machine. Attachment DA, okay, your ISO file cannot be found due to error. The system cannot find the specific files. Okay, in here you can close your virtual machine. Now you can click settings again. Go to your drive, okay, for DVD drive, just select none and select apply and click OK. After that, you can try to reconnect again. Then click start again. Now your Hyper-V successfully run. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to fix a problem cannot start your Hyper-V virtual machine. Hope this video helpful for you.